People always ask me, how do you stay so healthy all year round without any sniffles, sore throats, or minor illnesses? Well, the secret isn't in the medicine cabinet. It's tucked away right in this tiny jar. This is my homemade lemon ginger honey tea. It's more than just a refreshing drink. It's a natural remedy that has kept my family warm and boosted our immunity for years. The recipe is super simple, but there are a few tips to keep it from being bitter and to make it last longer. So come join me in the kitchen. I'll start with 1 fresh lemon and rub the skin thoroughly with baking soda. This step is crucial because the lemon peel contains 5 to 10 times more vitamin C and antioxidants than the juice itself. Next, I let the lemon soak in water for about 15 minutes to ensure the skin is thoroughly cleaned. After that, I scrub the lemon again with sea salt to remove any remaining impurities. Then I use a soft brush to gently wash away the baking soda so the peel doesn't turn bitter. And remember, you must wipe the lemon completely dry. Even a tiny bit of moisture can cause the whole jar to go moldy. As for the ginger, I wash it thoroughly. Cut off any damaged parts and break it into pieces to get ready for slicing. I slice it into very thin pieces. The thinner you slice them, the easier it is for the ginger essence to release and blend quickly into the honey. For the lemon, I slice it into thin rounds. Now, this is a crucial note. You must pick out every single seed. Those seeds are the main culprits behind that bitter taste. If you leave them in, it becomes very difficult to drink. I start by mixing the lemons and ginger in a large bowl first. For every 100 grams of the lemon ginger mix, I use about 150 milliliters to 200 milliliters of honey. You could also use white or brown sugar, but I personally prefer honey. Just a quick heads up, never give honey to infants under 1 year old. For the little ones, rock sugar is a much safer and gentler option. I give everything a good stir and let it sit for a while, allowing the honey to really soak into every single slice. By the way, I'd love to share a bit more so you can feel even more confident using this. It's not just a traditional folk remedy. According to Dr. Eric Berg, a well-known health expert in the USA,
ginger contains about 115 known antioxidants and phytonutrients that provide anti-inflammatory benefits and help with bloating or nausea. Most importantly, ginger helps control blood sugar and lower insulin levels. This not only suppresses your cravings, but also enhances the results if you are practicing intermittent fasting. As for the lemon, it's packed with vitamin C and citric acid. The citrate binds with oxalates, significantly reducing the risk of calcium oxalate kidney stones, a common concern during dietary changes. So, every spoonful of this syrup is truly a nutritional treasure for your body.
I have prepared the glass jars. It is essential that the jars are thoroughly sterilized and completely dry before use. Carefully layer the lemon and ginger mixture into the jar. Finally, pour Pour an extra layer of honey over the top until everything is completely covered. This top layer of honey acts like a natural protective seal, helping the tea stay fresh much longer and making it incredibly aromatic. Don't fill it all the way to the brim. Make sure to leave a gap of about 2 finger widths at the top, because after a few days, the lemons will release their juices, causing the liquid level to rise. Leave the mixture at room temperature for 1 day. Then refrigerate it for another 2 days to allow the tea to fully steep and settle. Each time I use it, I scoop out a bit of the syrup along with a few slices of lemon and ginger, then mix it with warm water. Just 1 sip of this warm tea makes you feel so much lighter and more relaxed. Be sure to use warm water, around 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. Avoid using boiling water because it can cook the honey and destroy all those beneficial vitamins. For the best results, drink it first thing in the morning to detoxify your body and boost your immunity. You can store this jar in the fridge for up to 3 months, but remember, when scooping it out, never let any water or saliva get into the jar or it will spoil quickly. In addition to this soaking method, there's an even simpler way that my mother always relies on whenever someone has a cough or a sore throat: steamed lemon, ginger, and honey. Keep using those lemons that have been thoroughly cleaned, just like before. I use a knife to cut off the top of the lemon, almost like a little lid. Then I carefully use a spoon to scoop out some of the pulp and all the seeds, turning the lemon itself into a tiny natural bowl. According to nutritionists, steaming lemon and ginger doesn't just improve sterilization, it also transforms certain active compounds in the peel into a more bioavailable form. Dr. Eric Berg frequently emphasizes using the whole lemon, as the concentration of vitamin C and antioxidants in the rind is actually 5 to 10 times higher than in the juice. I slice the ginger into thin strips. Then turn it sideways to finely mince it. Chopping it this small allows the ginger's essence and essential oils to be released more easily, blending perfectly with the honey and lemon during the steaming process. I use a spoon to scoop the minced ginger into the prepared lemon. I take the lemon pulp I scooped out earlier and press it through a sieve to extract all the pure juice. Don't let this go to waste, as the fresh lemon juice will blend with the ginger to double the anti-inflammatory effect. Next, I pour the strained lemon juice and honey back into the lemon until it's full. When steamed, the essential oils from the peel will release and soak into the ginger and honey, making it highly effective for treating coughs. Then just put the lemon lid back on and we have a tiny natural medicine jar. I place the lemon in a small bowl to catch the escaping juices, then steam it for about 20 to 30 minutes. At this stage, the heat helps the essential oils from the peel release and blend deeply with the honey and ginger. Once cooked through, the peel turns a rich, dark yellow, becomes melt in your mouth soft, and loses all its harsh bitterness. Once the lemon softens and the honey and ginger have fully infused, take it out and mash it gently, then consume everything, both the juice and the solids. Drinking this while it's still warm provides fast relief for the throat, especially if you're dealing with a persistent cough or soreness. Just 1 small spoonful every morning, and you'll start to see a clear, positive change in your body. If you have a better way of making this, or if there's any other superfood you'd like me to look into, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to learn from your experiences. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can take care of our health together every day. Wishing you all health and peace. See you in the next video.